Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NavitaTutorials. How are you friends? So today we are going to learn and write 10 lines speech on Independence Day. So let's start. So the first line we will say, hello, good morning everyone. Second line, today is 15th August. Third line, we are celebrating Independence Day. Fourth line, we got freedom on this day. Fifth line, it is our national festival. Sixth line, we hoist our national flag on this day. Seventh line, we sing our national anthem. Eighth line, it is the celebration of our freedom. Ninth line, I am proud to be an Indian. Tenth line, I love my country very much. Jai Hind.